About Goddess Dumavati Mahavidya Sadhanas. About Goddess Dumavati Mahavidya. Goddess Dumavati is manifestation of nothingness, is relevant to several aspects of fundamental nature of reality, includes space and time, cause and effect, potential and actuality, free will, soul, mind, and matters. Goddess Dumadi looks like an old, ugly, untidy, ungroomed, skeletally thin feminine energy with missing teeth who wears unclean old clothes, wrinkle in the face, appears as homeless widow, fearful in appearance, but her presence always reveals the dangers of worldly pleasures and motives, teaches the universe to look beyond the apparent outward beauty, teach us the inner truth. She is said to be a good teacher who teaches negative side of life, liberates all from the bondages of life, give rise to inner reality in one's soul. An outer level she characterizes as the misfortunes of life, who represents poorness, poverty, distress, neediness, sorrows, and sufferings. But at inner level, she is the goddess of greater fulfillment, who dissolves all frustrations and negativities of the outer world, releases new potent to grow in different direction to seek inner reality. She is the one who brings good fortune to us in the form of misfortunes, revered as most glorious and eldest form of Goddess Dumbavati. Goddess Dumbavati appears ferocious and also known as widow because she once ate her husband Lord Shiva when he was unable to feed her hunger, but she possesses all powers of deeper dimensions of existence through her energies, is the source of creation, is formless one or is Mukhi one. Goddess Dumati is an act of creative force of existence. Goddess Dumati represents darkness of primordial ignorance, who is also called as Mula Vidya. The reality is, all creations of Brahma are born in ignorance, a clear fact of existence. At the time of creations, no one knows who are we, where we are going to in life. We are put into between two great darkness with a limited light, where the divine form of Goddess Dumavati gives shelter to us on both sides of darkness. Goddess Dumavati represents power of ignorance, but the power of Maya or illusion shows one reality as many. And ignorance is a form of darkness and negative energy which prevents us to visualize the underlying truth of reality. Goddess Dumavati make us to realize that higher the ignorance, higher the power of ignoring and forgetting the unclear motion of mind, letting all fears to leave us, all desires to fold, get rid likes and dislikes, opinions and beliefs leave us too. Unless we learn to recognize the reality of knowledge building, will never take us to the truth of destiny. She is said to be the wisdom of forgetting, helps us to forget the bad dreams of samsara, return the blissful state of nirvana. Goddess Dumavati as grandmother, ancestral guide. Goddess Dumavati is said to be glorious and senior by appearance, is a greater teacher who bless supreme lessons of birth and death of life, is a classical teacher, one who upgrades our knowledge, attained through her hard lessons and experience, in which sleep, illusion, lack of memory, immature behaviors, dullness, youthful desires, and fantasies brought to an end. She is perceived with Yoga Nidra, a deep yogic sleep which merges with pre creation state of consciousness, a supreme energy which is the source of all creation, wherein Para Tattva, formless Lord Brahma alone is said to exist, devoid of qualities. Since there is no question of worshipping the formless object, Goddess Dumodi blesses the knowledge of reality to the universe. One who made the mankind to first imagine Lord Brahma is some natural form, and worship took place after that, purified the heart and soul. When the heart is purified, knowledge of formless Lord Brahma awakens gradually with the power of Goddess Dimavati, who represents the bliss of before creation state. Now we talk about Goddess Dimavati sadhanas. Number one, self-illumining void form. Goddess Dimavati appears in void form, but it is not a reality void. It is expanding consciousness by itself, which is pure and perfect, creating self awareness, ceases the movements of mind. The next would be power of suffering. Goddess Dumavati personifies negative traits of life, emptiness, distress, humiliation, loss, sorrow, poverty. The greater grandmother, Goddess Dumavati, teaches her experience to the mankind to realize the reality that transcends desire, grants the lessons of patience, perseverance, how to forgive and detach from worldly bondages. Number three, transcendence and freedom. A timeless goddess Dimavati, who is not in an ordinary form, ward of negative influences, retains back to the positive condition. The next would be awakening sacred power of mind and body sadhana. Goddess Dumavati is present everywhere, but her cosmic energy emerges either from different forms of creative force or from refined energies, either from heart or middle region of her body, which is significantly mentioned in Dumavati Tantras. The last but not least is meditation form. There is a need to unlearn the illusionary reality of outer form. Goddess Dumavati, by her experience, opens up the bad elements of negative influences of life, liberates us from circumstance bondages, shows us the inner reality. Next, we talk about Anga Vidya Krama of Goddess Dumavati. Goddess Dumavati Anga Vidya Krama denotes attaining liberation from the state of outer form of reality to highest exaltation of self, of becoming something which previously there did not exist. It is attaining a knowledge of eternal existence, gives us an awareness of essential nature of being pure by the energies of Anga Vidya Krama is all the blessings of Goddess Dumavati. They are Vresha, Vatuka, Shiva, Ritingira, Sarveshwara, Pasupata Astra, Samhara Astra, Kukuti, Markalika, Marini, Tvaritha, Kuluka Panchaka. Goddess Dumavati Mahamantra chanting. Goddess Dumavati Mahamantra brings new life to well-being, shows the grace of Goddess, brings devotees closer to her, attain higher self in life, have stable physical and mental balance, bless focus on work, gain knowledge and wisdom, strengthen spiritual aspects, attain peace and harmony, remove long-standing disease, negative energies, remove fear of death, misfortunes, cowardice, bestows good health, wealth, long life, and other material abundance. विवन्ना संचल दुष्ट दीर्घा च मालिन्नांभरा विवन्ना कुंडला रुक्षा विधवा वीरलद्विजा काहध्वजा रदारूढ़ा विलंबिता पयोदरा सूर्यहस्तातिरुक्षाक्षी दृढहस्त वरन्विता प्रवृत्तगोणातु भृशं कुटिला कुटिलेक्षणा शुद्धिपा सारदिग्धा नित्यं भयदा कालः प्रिया. Dhum means smoke or energy of mysterious state, or even we can call obscure. The benefits of chanting this mantra clears all dark lights, creates protective smoke that hides us from all negativities and death, shield from dangers and enemies, dispels sorrow, fulfill all desires in life, plus power of self, wisdom and strength, instills confidence, wealth and social status, attain liberation state, power of expression, good fortune, gain good health, happy married life, victory and win the blessings of Lord Shiva and Goddess Parvati. Goddess Dhumavati, beach mantra chanting. Chant 108 times. Om Dhum Dhum Dhumavati Swaha. Om Dhum Dhum Dhumavati Swaha. Om Dhum Dhum Dhumavati Swaha.
Please subscribe to our Vedi Books YouTube channel by clicking on the bell icon.